Why does your scanner show the P0340 engine code? What does it mean? P0340 is a diagnostic trouble code for Camshaft Position Sensor A circuit malfunction. The P0340 engine code indicates that your vehicle's engine computer, ECM or PCM, has lost or received an invalid signal from the camshaft position sensor, which it relies on to manage fuel injection and ignition timing. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty camshaft position sensor, damaged wiring or connectors, stretched timing chain or belt, faulty crankshaft position sensor, damaged reluctor wheel. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996. And it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Dodge, Chevrolet, and Toyota. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.